There are so many beautiful fashion styles that can enhance the natural beauty and uniqueness of your body. The right clothing celebrates the shape you've been given, while the wrong clothing can make you feel like you're trying to fit into a trend instead of allowing your own beauty to shine. Somewhere along the way, many of us stopped dressing to honor ourselves and started dressing to be noticed. Instead of embracing who we are, we often find ourselves chasing validation and blending into whatever is considered fashionable at the moment. Hello everyone, welcome to Girl Rain. Today's topic is the fashion that pays you back. The magic of dressing your body type. I felt this was an important conversation because most of us have seen or have been that girl that has sacrificed her comfort just to wear a certain outfit. Whether it was freezing during winter in the name of fashion or constantly worrying about a wardrobe malfunction throughout the night. We've all experienced moments where looking good came at the expense of feeling good. But fashion should work for you, not against you. Today, let's explore a few simple ideas that can help you elevate your wardrobe while keeping you feeling confident, elegant, and comfortable. One of the greatest benefits of wearing clothing that fits your body properly is comfort. When your clothes fit well, you aren't constantly pulling at your skirt, adjusting your top, fixing your straps, or wondering if something has shifted. Instead, you're able to relax. That comfort comes naturally showing through your body language. You stand taller, move more freely, smile more often, and become fully present instead of worrying about your outfit. Confidence begins with comfort. There's an old saying, dress the way you would like to be addressed. When your clothing fits properly, it immediately creates a polished, intentional appearance. It doesn't have to be expensive, it just has to simply fit well. If you watched my video, Be Your Unique You, you'll remember that I encourage building a wardrobe with versatile pieces rather than buying clothes that can only be worn once. For example, imagine purchasing a beautiful dress for a semi-formal event. Then you realize you can purchase a dress that could be used for both a semi-formal event as well as a wedding. That's getting the most value out of your wardrobe. It's a money-saving mindset. We've all done it. You see a gorgeous dress online, you immediately buy it, then after it arrives, you ask yourself, how many places am I gonna get to really wear with this dress? It gets worn once, then it spends the next few years hanging quietly in your closet. Instead of shopping emotionally, begin shopping intentionally. Buy pieces that work for your lifestyle. Another great wardrobe strategy is the 3-3-3 method. This method encourages you to build outfits from a smaller collection of versatile clothing pieces. It helps you to save money, spend less time getting dressed, become more creative with mixing and matching, build a wardrobe where almost everything works together. Quality and versatility will always outperform quantity. Let's talk about skirts. They're feminine, elegant, classy, and iconic. They can be perfect for any occasion, but let me tell you something here. The length always matters. Ask yourself this question. Which skirt allows you to walk comfortably, sit down confidently, get up from a chair without worrying, socialize without constantly adjusting your clothing? Fashion should give you the freedom, not anxiety. The right skirt lets you enjoy the moment instead of managing your outfit. Not every trendy outfit will flatter everybody, and that's perfectly okay. Clothing sizes vary dramatically from one brand to another, so don't allow the number on a tag to determine your confidence. Your worth has never been measured by a clothing label. Instead, take the time to learn about your body measurements. Know your bust, waist, hips, and inseam. Makes shopping, especially online, much easier and far more successful. One of the beautiful things about fashion is that the exact same outfit can look completely different on two different women. For example, A-line dresses often create a graceful, elegant silhouette for curvier figures while allowing beautiful movement. Deep V-necks and scoop lines will naturally look different on someone with a fuller bust than on someone with a smaller chest. For a more modest look, you can add an underlying piece called a lady camisole underneath the top, either by purchasing it online or getting someone to make that type of fabric for you and attach it onto your deep neck outfits. while halter tops often complement lean, defined shoulders, while other necklines may better flatter broader or rounder shoulders. The goal isn't to copy someone else's look. The goal is to discover what highlights your own unique beauty. Finally, let's talk about confidence. When your clothing fits properly, you naturally feel better. You aren't distracted by discomfort or insecurity. Instead, you're free to focus on your conversations, your goals, your relationships, and simply enjoying yourself. Your confidence grows because you're no longer trying to become someone else. You're simply becoming the best version of yourself. Remember, fashion isn't about hiding who you are. It's about revealing the beauty that has always been there. Let's take a look at some fashion styles that could help out in this area. Like old money, preppy, casual chic, romantic. These looks are great for both of the days of where you're on your relaxation days to the you don't know who you're going to bump into or what's going to happen moments. I believe we've seen a woman like this in our time where she would walk down the street and regardless of what size that she's at, the clothes that she has on made her look like she was a walking model. All eyes would be on her and it would command respect wherever she had walked. This is what I'm trying to tell you. Looking elegant, beautiful, or sensual has very little to do with wearing clothing that's too tight or uncomfortable. In fact, clothing that doesn't fit properly often hides your natural proportions instead of enhancing them. When your clothes fit well, people notice you. They notice your confidence, your posture, your presence, and your style. You will always notice that there will be no constant tugging, pulling, or discomfort. That's why I like to call dressing for your body type the fashion that pays you back. A little extra thought while shopping creates confidence every single time you wear the outfit. I want to thank you so much for making it to the end of this video. Please feel free to share what inspired you through this girl talk that we've had. If you enjoyed this discussion, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with another woman who's on her level up journey. Until next time, bye.